we're Miriam and Joost, and we're doing a big trip from the equator at the south of East Asia all the way to the north of East Asia. We started in Singapore, did a 2-week trip through Malaysia, and are now starting our tour through Thailand from south to north. Today, we're going to do some island hopping in the Phuket region. And we're off to the boat to go do some sightseeing around the region in between Phuket and Krabi. A lot of islands around, and we're gonna do some island hopping today. And we're off at the tour, yay! I think the weather is pretty good today. Even though it's rainy season, I can see blue skies, so this is something to look forward to.
And at least on the boat will be dry. They can close this if needed.
Oh yeah, they can close off everything here.
Yeah.
This is great.
So we'll be dry on the boat.
On the boat at least.
Yeah, then
We'll
it's
see
fine.
about the canoeing.
Yeah, but then we stay here.
Thank you. Kapanka. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. We arrived at the first stop, which is, I think, Naka Island. The view is already insane here. Like all the other islands are looking beautiful, and here the water is crystal clear, super nice and warm, and everything seems so clean. It's amazing already. We only had 1 hour to spend on the island, so we had a nice coconut drink at the bar, enjoyed the water and the beach, and got back on the boat for the next stop. The weather unfortunately turned rainy. We're very happy the boat had screens blocking out all the bad weather, and we made it to the next stop, which is canoeing. And I'm going to go anyway because just look at the nature here, it's astonishing. Joost is just skipping this part. But it's still fun. Look at how beautiful it is here. Wow. Low season and already quite busy on the waters, but I can't imagine what peak season must be like. It's so lovely here. I think this is the best thing ever. Feels a lot like Nimbindo. Wow. You really missed out. This is like the best thing ever. It was so insanely beautiful.
Nice.
Wow. It's still pretty shitty weather, but we're at the James Bond Island, so we're gonna make the most of it anyway. Oh, there's a small hike up. Let's do that one.
We're in a fishing village built on stilts in the middle of the bay.
And the restaurant where we just had lunch was amazing.
Yeah.
And it was all Thai style. And now we're in this weird alleyway.
Yeah. You wouldn't say this is on stilts, right? And apparently the people that live here were originally from the Indonesian island of Java. And they came to find a new place to live. So they came to this place. And they built all this village on stilts. And I think over 300 families live here currently. Around 1,600 people.
Oh yeah.
Yes, it's low tide now. Back in the day, they they could only play soccer when it was low tide. A few times a month, extreme low tide, 2 times. But now they've got a floating football field. It's really cool to see. It's really beautiful here. It's a good thing they told us to just ask anyone for the name of the restaurant because we were already lost. Everything here looks the same.
We've seen so many islands today and it has been amazing. We've only got one more island to go to before finishing up this fantastic trip.
Came back a little bit early because, as you can see, it's raining buckets.
And even though we've had all kinds of weather today, it's been a great trip and I still can recommend going here. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.